Why Romans used mouse brains as toothpaste. The Romans built the Colosseum and roads that are still here today. They were engineering geniuses, so why did they brush their teeth with crushed mouse brains and fermented urine? I'm not joking. The same civilization that gave us incredible architecture used literal garbage to clean their teeth. But here's the fascinating part. It actually worked better than you'd think. The reason why is going to surprise you. Romans were obsessed with perfect smiles. Bad breath was social suicide. Poets literally wrote insulting verses about people with poor dental hygiene. So what was their solution? First, they chewed wooden sticks until they frayed into primitive toothbrushes. But their toothpaste recipe was where things got truly bizarre. They mixed charcoal from burnt bones, crushed oyster shells, and ground eggshells to create an abrasive cleaning paste. But it gets stranger. Some Roman medical texts actually recommended crushed mouse brains as a key ingredient. Why mouse brains specifically? Nobody really knows. But Romans were dead serious about this recipe. And the grand finale? Human urine as mouthwash. They'd let urine ferment until it turned into ammonia, a powerful bleaching agent. This was so popular that wealthy Romans supposedly imported premium urine from different regions. The poet Catullus even mocked someone by saying their teeth were so unnaturally white, it proved how much urine they'd been gargling. So, did this nightmare dental routine actually work? Here's where it gets incredible. Yes, archaeologists studying skeletons from Pompeii found that Romans had remarkably healthy teeth, with far fewer cavities than modern people. But plot twist, it wasn't the mouse brains saving their smiles. Romans ate some truly awful food. Fermented fish sauce on everything, wine sweetened with lead pipes, and preserved foods that would make us sick today. Their secret weapon? Zero refined sugar. Sugar as we know it didn't exist, and honey was too expensive for most people. While we destroy our teeth with candy and soda, Romans were stuck with their gross but sugar-free diet of pickled vegetables and rotting fish condiments. Plus, here's the kicker. Pompeii's volcanic water was naturally loaded with fluoride, the same mineral we add to modern toothpaste. They accidentally discovered perfect dental care by being too poor for sweets and drinking fluoride-rich water daily. The Romans stumbled into amazing oral health by eating disgusting food and being too broke for sugar. So ancient Rome accidentally figured out dental health perfection while gargling fermented urine and eating fish guts. Meanwhile, we're consuming massive amounts of sugar and paying hundreds for dental work. It makes you wonder, who really had it figured out? Sometimes the most backward-seeming practices contain hidden wisdom we've forgotten. Think about it. Their primitive methods address the real causes of tooth decay, bacteria, acid, and sugar, while our modern diets create the very problems their gross habits prevented. What do you think? Would you trade your modern toothpaste for mouse brain paste if it meant perfect teeth for life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share the weirdest historical fact you know. If you found this ancient dental mystery as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible historical discoveries that flip everything you thought you knew about the past. Next week, we're diving into medieval medicine that makes Roman urine mouthwash look pleasant by comparison.